Hello, dear viewers. This is Dikas Kapi Webinars, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Hello, MGA. Welcome to the stream. How are you, my friend? Today is Friday. This is last trading day of the week, and there's a lot of ups and downs in the market to see today. Well, I'm a Dikas Kapi trading community member. I'm not an employee of Dikas Kapi Bank, so whatever I'm saying here is my own views. It has nothing to do with the bank. So guys, you know already that we are going to find the key levels for the pairs that we are going to see, and we'll see that how we can use those levels in our trading. And I'll try to rearrange my levels if I think most of them have been broken, so I'll do it live. And especially we'll be discussing Bitcoin today, because I think Bitcoin is starting an up move again, but it has broken a channel also to the downside, so we'll see if it is able to go above that channel or not. But before that, let me take you through the risk disclaimer. Today there is no much of introduction, but I don't want to waste time like saying everything every day. But yes, believe me that whatever I say here is only to increase your knowledge. I'm not giving you any trading advice here, so please do your own research before you put your money on the line, right? Okay, let's go through the risk disclaimer and then quickly hop onto the charts. The first things first, that okay, I'll tell you something later. Okay, this is the dollar index, guys. So this is the dollar index. Now it has gone bullish on 1 hour. Okay, then it has gone bullish on the 4 hour. I'll show you. It has gone bullish on the 4 hour. Then it dropped like this. Why did it drop? I really don't know. I really don't know. But I believe that it is because it hunted the stop losses above these two equal swing highs and then went back, boom. Okay. Now it's only a matter of time when the structure will be broken to the downside. Now the structure will be broken as soon as it drops below this low, because it has already created a high which was higher than this one. So now dropping below this low here will confirm a breakdown on the dollar index to the downside. I think this level, now these levels are important. This is not important. This is unimportant. So these are the levels that you have to keep an eye on. Channel you can ignore, structure now you can ignore, because it is evident, structure is evident now. Yeah, but you look at this price action. This has happened all in one day. Boom, boom. Well, 101.15 on the downside. Keep a sharp eye on this one, guys. Keep a very sharp eye on this one, because if this breaks, okay, we are headed towards 10090 later on. Maybe this low should provide actually some support, and thereafter this one. Okay, these three lows I think will be tested once we break below 101.15. Now you might be thinking, why Rakesh is only talking about going lower and not going higher, because the 4 hour has broken on the upside. Yes, it can go up. It's okay. It can go up. But the thing is that daily time frame is bearish, and people wanted to sell high at cheaper. They wanted to sell high, right? Because anyone who was buying above these two levels is buying at the market, because their stop losses are getting triggered. You see that? The stop losses are getting triggered, so these sellers get easy buyers and they push the markets down by opening their sell positions. Look at the volumes. You see those volumes? All right, I hope that I'm clear on this one. So yes, I am expecting a break of 101.15, which is in line with the daily time frame. And if it doesn't happen and the price goes above, which I don't think it will, because if I draw a channel on the 4 hour, this channel is broken. Now it's only a matter of like 23 minutes before this candle closes and I see a breakdown further. Okay, of course the price can go higher a bit and then drop down. That's not an exception, but still, looking at this price action, I think the sellers will jump in very fast and push the price down below 101.15. But I'm not here to speculate. I'm here only to tell the levels. So the levels point of view, 101.15 is the support and 101.98 on the 4-hour time frame is the resistance. On the daily time frame, we have still resistance at, okay, wait, let me check on the daily if something has developed, because in Bitcoin it was very quick. Okay, actually, oh no, not this one. Now these two levels, like 100.45 on the downside, I will turn the stroke to solid and the width to high. Now this level on the downside and this level on the upside, these are important levels. Okay, so keep an eye on these two levels on the daily. Okay, these are important levels. All right, what about euro? Euro must be okay. Euro is taking support at the previous level. It has also breached a bit below the previous low, which I was expecting. Okay, I was not expecting anything out of it because upswing pivot is at around 1.0909, but this was a level on the 4-hour. This was an important level on the 4-hour. It was just breached and got, okay, if you draw channel on here also, you will see that this euro has broken that channel. Okay, I'll not keep that channel, I'm just drawing it to show you. Okay, this channel is on the verge of break in this candle with the higher volumes. Now a breakout with a higher volume, that means the price is going to continue on the upside. Well, on the upside we have a resistance at around 1.095 and after that we have a resistance at 1.1184. All right guys, so keep an eye on these two levels on the upside. On the downside, you can expect a huge support at around upswing pivot of 1.0909. Before that we have a support now around 1.0964 and I will change it to now this low 1.0962 area. All right guys, make sure that you smash that like button below the video if you are, if you are happy about this analysis. All right, pound, 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 boom, boom. So this consolidation is now over and the price has breached 1.2545, which I am expecting now to act as a support. And also notice that my RSI has gone beyond 62. Now when my RSI goes beyond 62, I am very, very bullish on that particular thing. Okay, that means I'm very bullish now on the pound. Okay, if I am very bullish on the pound, what I am expecting? I am expecting 1.2666 minimum in this one, but you should not be buying it at the current levels, but you should be expecting the price to drop below, at least on the 30 minutes or 1 hour, to 1.2545. Like what we are expecting here is, we are expecting something like this. Okay, so this is what I am expecting. All right guys, 1.2545 need to be tested before we see a move towards 1.2666. okay, that's it. I think, and if the price starts dropping, it should get support here. If not here, then at the broken resistance of this symmetrical triangle, this may also provide support to the price. But I think 1.2666 will be taken before we see a pullback. Australian dollar, it moved up, but no use of this movement because the price has only gone till the resistance. Now you remember that when this breakout, when this break to the downside happened here, I told you that whenever the price goes up, it will be finding resistance here, and this is what is happening right now. So not very bullish on the Australian dollar. I think another leg lower can push the price to 0.6563 even, and if the price has to go up, I think on the 4-hour now, this should be a level of interest now, and on the downside these two levels were of the level of interest, so now this level is taken out. So I think no, I will not keep this level here. But if you talk about daily, let's 45-hour daily levels. Boom, 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 boom. So the level on the daily that you should keep an eye on is this one. Okay, and on the low side it is this one. All right, I hope that it makes any sense to you now. MG, let me redo this quickly because this is Friday and I don't expect any movement further now. But my New Zealand pair and my profits are all shattered because it has moved a lot to the upside. And you remember that day before yesterday when I was talking about the New Zealand not dropping below a certain level, I told you that it is expected to, I mean, it was red, but you see 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth day from today, was red for all the pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth day from today was red for all pairs. See, but New Zealand dollar failed to go below the low of that day, but euro, yes, it went lower. Pound also went lower than the previous day. Australian dollar, 1, 2, 3, 4, it went even all the way down. Yeah, but New Zealand dollar held this, I mean, before prior days support. So I was expecting the New Zealand dollar to be bought at the lower levels, and this is what is happening. You see, this was just an idea from this daily candle that New Zealand is going to go up, and I did not want to book my profits because this is demo. But yes, the expectation came to be a reality, and now I'm expecting a resistance in this one around 0.6207, because that is a huge resistance. It has been a very good support in the past and has been a very good resistance now. And also I have three reasons: falling channel, this one, and the confluence actually. So I have multiple reasons to go short around 0.6207, but not right at the green candle. I'll be expecting some red candle, and then I'll be looking for a bearish price action here. But the problem here with me is that if the price goes to 0.6207, on the way it will break through this 0.6187, which is now my downswing pivot, and if it breaks downswing pivot, I will become bullish. So now this is a contrary statement, right? You might be saying this is a contradictory statement. The price is going down, and from 6187 it made a new low. So if the price breaks through 6187, that means bulls have gained the power. Now I will show you like this. Okay, the bulls in this area are strong. If they push the price below 6187, then we become buyers. Okay, do not sell here, but look for a pullback and then buy. I hope you understood this point. Okay, if the price breaks 6187, I mean, if my stop loss gets triggered, become a buyer. That's it. I don't want to talk much about it. USD JPY all bullish. USD JPY all bullish, much above 62. Above RSI is all time high. This is 4 hour. If you see daily, you will see, okay, RSI has broken above 62. Now I think the next stop should be around 137.91. On the 4 hour, it seems like something is rejecting the price around this channel, but I think a small pullback and next leg may take this price towards 137.91. okay, so the levels to watch in this market is 137.91 on the upside, 135.11, which is the recent broken resistance, should act as a support now. All right guys, USD CAD on the similar lines. It has I was bullish at the USD JPY today. No, you were bullish. Okay, you are bullish today. What do you mean you were bullish today? What do you mean that you were bullish today? We were bullish in the USD JPY from, I think, here, from the day it broke, like 30th of March. We are bullish on the USD JPY from last 1 month. How can you be bullish only today? You don't remember when I said that we are looking for a buying opportunity close to this area? All right, you mean that you were buyer in this one? Did you buy a USD JPY today? Day trading, okay. All right, I got you. So USD CAD has come down again 1.3566. Now I think this is because the drop in the dollar. Okay, one thing, a drop in the dollar on the daily, And another, I think maybe Brent is rising. Let me check the Brent soon. But yes, if the price closes a day, okay, wait, this is 4 hours, sorry. Okay, so this is daily, right? If the price is okay, here, this is the important low here. I think I should keep an eye on this low here. So if the price breaks below 1.3522, then I will be looking to sell this market. But right now, I will not be looking to sell this market. Although this is a bearish engulfing, everything. We have got the resistance also tested today. But I will not be selling this market until and unless it breaks below 1.3522, which I think it will break because the Canadian dollar will rise with the rise in the Brent, which I am expecting to rise. Okay, so expect the price to drop from here. But keep a sharp eye on 1.3522 on the downside. USD CHF, boom, boom, boom. Okay, this is a wrong thing. This should not have happened, because we were expecting actually the double bottom to break to the upside, and we were expecting 9147. But a drop in the US dollar, I think, has been triggered, and the price has broken on the 4 hour to the downside. So it will, I think, continue till at least 0.8859. Let's see how the things unfold. But now you have a broken below 0.8927, so this should again start acting as a resistance, and the price has come again below this channel. So inside this channel, price will be stuck between 0.8859 and 0.8927, I suppose. Silver, we are bullish on the silver, and finally the silver is holding and trying to go above 25.02. I think now I think we should be looking for a rise in the silver. There's a hidden bullish divergence here. So yes, you expect silver now to rise quickly towards 25.35 and later 26.08. I'm very bullish on the silver, guys. Very bullish. On the lower side, expect 24.47 to act as a support. On the higher side, small resistance may be posed by 25.35. Let's see how the things unfold in the silver. About gold, bullish on the gold again. Fall in the dollar will push the prices of gold to the upside. But remember that this is a downtrending market structure, and 2012.25 needs to be broken on the daily chart for us to become bullish on this one also. So keep an eye on these two levels, like 1969 and 2012. Brent, I am expecting to rise, and if the Brent rises, like okay, this is nothing new. We were expecting this from yesterday also, that if the Brent now starts rising from here, it breaks from this channel, then a break to the downside and then break to the upside, the channel is filled. So expect higher prices than 87.46. MGA, actually, see these lows here. These lows I am expecting as a resistance, and if I switch to 4 hour, I'll show you something. Okay, MJ, don't trade this, but keep a note on this. Keep a note of this. I'm sharing my experience with you. So this area was an area of what is this? Did I take triangle? I wanted a rectangle. So this area, okay, here, this area was an area of support in the past. Okay, so now I'm expecting this area to be an area of resistance, okay, based on this support here. And I know that the price will reverse from here, but my point is that when the price reverses from here, and then when again it goes up, it will not stop. This is my point. So I think when you see a pullback from here, whatever highest high that the price has made here in this range, keep a stop buy order above that and see what happens. This is what I am expecting. So when I say that keep something like this, it doesn't mean that you buy it directly. You can keep a note of this, okay, in your journal if you want. And if you really want to trade in such a manner that you should not lose more than 1% of your account, okay, keep this in mind. And what should be your stop loss? Whenever this happens, whatever reaction low that the price has made, your stop loss should be below that low, okay, and your take profit target should be 83.48, actually 87.46, because we are targeting the daily price. All right, guys, that's it about the Brent. Now let's talk about the USD. We are bullish on this one, but the US dollar across the board is failing. So what we do, we create our daily upswing pivot. Okay, 17.989 is still the support. The support is very far. Buying at the current levels is not recommended. Expect some pullback to 7.986, and if that doesn't care about the price and breaks below it, and the price breaks below it, then look for 17.6939. In that case, I think a double top will be broken and the price will see lower lows in case 17.69 and 7.9896 doesn't hold. All right, now no trading here. The price is not breaking lower than the previous day, so it is holding as of now. So expect some buying here at the lower levels, that is this channel testing maybe. Let me clear the clutter from this chart. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is again trying a push now. Okay, from the 4-hour I cannot deduce anything. From the daily I want to show you something. You see that on the 4-hour on the daily, I told you that if you take this as the first low and this as the other low, a high, then this is a broken market structure. And after this broken market structure, what happened? Let me show you on the 4-hour. After this broken market structure, the price came back to this area to test it as a fresh support and started rising. Now you might be thinking, okay, this high is not taken, but it may be taken anytime soon. So remove this now, and actually this is a clean price action here. This now should be changed with this high, because now this high becomes an important level. Okay, and this low is not an important level. This low is an important level. 26,950 is an important level right now, but if the price breaks anywhere higher than 29,978, then we shift this low to this low. Okay, because in that case this low will be an established low when the price will be higher than this high. So this will be the lowest low that the price has made in the sequence. All right, so this is what I would do, and I'm expecting actually now a rise from here, because this fall is not like this. This is not like this. So in this fall, you see the price is being capped on the upside, but on the low side we are expecting buying. How to explain this? I don't know how to explain this really, but on the 1-hour or on the 2-hour, you can draw a counter trending channel, which is very clean, I suppose, because the price has been capped very sincerely. So expect a breakout anytime soon like this. Okay, and when it does, I think it will break 29,978, and then it will go for 34.52, which is also our daily level that we were talking about. Remember, we were talking about this 34.52, which is the high that the price had made before making this low. So if you talk like this, okay, then you will see this is the high that the price had made before making this low. And 34.52, if that is shaken or if that is traded, we'll be looking for higher highs, that is 39.95, 32.417, and the process continues further to the north. All right, so 29,978 is the resistance, and support is 27,212, and on the way up, the recent low that the price has made should be acting as a support. So this should be a support, and the stroke should be like this. All right, guys, I hope everybody is getting what I am trying to say here. Euro JPY, a lot of price. Okay, hello. MGA, do you see this, guy? Do you see this, man? We were looking for the lower lows and it went higher. What has just happened? What has just happened, guys? What has just happened? We are looking for lower lows in this market, and it has just traded. I don't know why. Well, it just broke the market structure to the downside, and then it went upside. I have no excuse for this. This is just why. This is why our stop losses are there. Okay, so we were expecting a fall from here, but that did not happen. So let it go where it is going. So since now the market has gone upside, expect some buying at these levels. You can look for a buying in case the price comes back to 148.62 levels. Okay, on the higher side, let me check on the weekly, where is the next level. Okay, all these weekly levels have been taken out. This level was 149.78 is taken out, and now the next level is staying at around here. So I'll take the lowest level to this now. This is 156.82. So expect now 156.82 to be tested soon. Okay, not soon, but yes, if you say stay above 148.62, then there is a possibility of 156.82 in this market. Okay, euro against the pound. Okay, it has fallen finally because the pound has broken out today, so it has finally started trading below 0.8791. Now this level was acting as a very good support for this price. Okay, technically, if you find any rise here to 0.8791, it should be acting as a resistance now, and the price should be testing towards should be going towards 0.8728 now. So that is an important level to see on the downside. On the upside, 0.8791 should act as a resistance now because it is the recent broken support level. USA 500 finally inching towards 4172. Now I was saying that look for a selling opportunity here. Okay, and I was saying based on 4069 breach to the downside, and then I was looking for a selling opportunity, but no, it entered again to the upside and broken this channel, found support here, and boom. So this has shattered all the technical analysis, or I say price action analysis, and now is going towards the previous targets of 4172 and 4195. Okay, I had, I think, something like this. Okay, so now suppose where is my friend MGA? Just suppose you want to sell it here, and you sell it in a style which everybody else tries to do. And if you sell in my style, when I say okay, look for a selling opportunity here, but actually that opportunity never came because there was no bearish pin bar or no bearish engulfing like this one here, so we did not sell. Okay, that's okay. But if somebody even sold this market aggressively before any red candle, and if he sells here, I think you know that he will be keeping his stop loss somewhere here, right? If he sells here, so around 70 points from here as a stop loss, and potential take profit would be 524 points. All right, so still a good trade, but if he loses it, he will lose only 1%, right? So that's why I say stay conservative. If there is no trading, there is no trading, and if there is a trading, there has to be a stop loss because of these type of days. 4195 on the upside is the target now, but I think before that the price should reverse from 4172 to 4141. Euro against the Australian dollar still holding at the highs. I'm expecting it to drop down to 1.6445 before any leg further. As of now, there's no trading in this one. Ethereum has again made a big range. Yesterday only it had made a big range, day before yesterday, and yesterday there was an inside bar. Today is further an inside bar. So if you switch to 4 hour, you will see a symmetrical triangle forming on this one. And that symmetrical triangle actually can be traded if it breaks to the upside, which is what I am expecting. I am expecting it to break to the upside. And let's see how the things unfold in the Ethereum. As of now, it doesn't look like anybody's willing to buy at the current price, but I think if it goes lower, a bit lower to these levels like 1875 area, the buyers should jump in. CAD-JPY, boom, boom, boom. CAD-JPY again to the previous levels of 100.59, which I am expecting as the first target. Later on 100.87 on the daily is the expected target. Also 101.40 is possible in this market, but two levels to keep an eye on is 99.94 to the downside and 100.59 to the upside. That's it. USA Tech, I think it has already taken all the targets that we had talked about. 13224, this is the level that I was talking about. It has already traded that level yesterday, and today there is just a breakout, and also this is a breakout above the key level of 62, that is RSI. So if we see a close above 13,224 in this market, I think 13,723 will be traded very soon in this market then. That's all from me, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the chat. The chat is open. And if there's any other pair that you want me to keep an eye on, or if you want to add it to the playlist, not the playlist but the watch list, and if you want me to do any analysis of anything, any commodity, any pair, please let me know in the chat, or I will be closing today, and then we will see you after the weekend, that is on Monday. All right, MJ says happy weekend to you too, my brother. So let me end it by saying that I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just keep in mind to only risk 1% of your capital on one trade, and you should have a potential of 3 times of the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this useful for you. You can also leave your suggestions in the comment section, and consider subscribing to this channel if you are new here. I wish you and your family a very happy and good day, and have a good weekend. Thank you very much for your time. See you on Monday, same time, same place.